Assalamualaikum class. How are you? Okay, very good. Do you remember what we studied yesterday? Very good. Shahzad, do you remember what we studied?
We studied parts of speech.
We studied parts of speech. What are parts of speech?
Noun.
Noun. Say with me. Noun.
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 Verb.
Verb. Adjective. Okay, thank you so much. Sakib, can you tell me what is noun? Yes.
The name of person, place, or word of noun.
A name of person, place, or thing, or any adjective is called
Noun.
very good. Do you know what is verb?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Was the present action.
Well, verb represents
Action.
Verb represents
Action.
For movement, etc. are verb. Very good. Can you give examples of nouns? Yes. Fan is example of
Noun.
Okay. Monitor is example of
Noun.
Okay. Whiteboard is example of
Noun.
Okay. Laptop, glass, loudspeaker, benches, chairs. These are example of
Noun.
Okay, very good. Hassan, can you give me example of verbs? Take, swing, okay, for example, buy, okay, buy is a verb. Get is a
Verb.
Watching is a
Verb.
Drinking is a
Verb.
Eating is a
Verb.
Thank you so much. Very good. Okay, class, I want you to work in pairs, and you are going to make pairs even and odd roll numbers. The even roll numbers will make pair with the odd roll number. Okay? समझ रहे हैं? Even roll number odd roll number के साथ pair बनाएगा. ठीक है? It is your choice. Whom you select. ये आपकी choice है, आप किसको select करते हो. Okay? Can you stand up please? Okay, search your partner. Search your partner. Okay. Okay, search your partner. Okay. अच्छा आपको कोई पार्टनर नहीं बन रहा, आप अच्छी तरह से आप इधर आ जाए, आप अच्छी तरह से एक साथ आप सीधे सीधे लाइन में ना ठीक है Okay class, are you in pairs?
Yes.
Furkan, are you in pairs?
Yes.
Okay, open your books on page number 39. Open your books on page number 39. Are you on page number 39?
Yes.
Hassan, are you on page number 39?
Yes.
Okay, what we are going to do is, look at me please, मेरी तरफ देखें. You have to read the first two paragraphs. You have to read the first and you have to underline the verbs and आपने क्या करना है कि आपने दो पैराग्राफ पहले वाले पढ़ने हैं और उसमें जो verbs and nouns हैं उनको अंडरलाइन करना है. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
You have only 5 minutes to do this activity. You have only 5 minutes to do this activity. Okay, your time starts now. Are left. Complete your work in 2 minutes. Students, have you done? Have you completed? Okay, stop it. Close the books. Close the books. Okay. Look at me. Listen me carefully. What we are going to do is, I am going to have a competition. I am going to divide you in two groups. The even roll number, the odd roll number, and the even roll number. So all the students whose roll number is odd will come here, and all the students whose roll number is even will come here. Okay? So stand up, please. Roll number odd here, odd roll number here, even roll number here. Hurry up, please. Hurry up. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You are group A, okay, and you are group B. Furqan, you are the leader of group B. Okay, you are the leader of group B. And Shahzad, you are the leader of group A. Okay, what you have to do is, we are going to have a race to the board competition. We are having race to the board competition. Okay, in the race to the board competition, you will write noun on the board and you will write verb on the board. Okay? Are you getting my point? Who is the leader of group A? Leader of group A, Shahzad. And who is the leader of group B? Stand up, please. Come here, please. The group B will use the green pen. Okay, come here. Come here. And the noun will use the red pen. Noun will use the red pen. Okay? You have only 2 minutes and you have to complete your work in 2 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. Hurry up, please, hurry up. बच्चे एक लफ्ज लेके जल्दी 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 शाबाश एक एक लफ्ज लिखते जाओ वो करते जाओ हरी अप शाबाश जल्दी करें Your time is going to finish now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop it, please. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Give me the pen, please. Sit down, please, sit down. Very good, very good. Who is the leader of group A? Who is the leader of group A? G? The leader of group A, come here, and the leader of group B, please. Okay? the group A, you will check the work of B. Okay, and you have that is, and you have to check the work of A. Okay, if there is any spelling mistake, cross it.
सर ये एक नाम है काशिफ समान और अपना नाम है काशिफ मेरा असल नाम काशिफ कमर है
चलो ठीक है
सर बोल और ये बोल
Here is the board.
B O R N
Here कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? Run, verb है ना?
गलत
वर्ब में दो दफा लिखा हुआ है, दो दफा लिखा हुआ है। ठीक है वैसे?
हुआ
वर्ब नहीं है,
है
एडजेक्टिव है।
गलत नाउन है
वर्ब मैन होगा, मैन होगा, वर्ब एडजेक्टिव होगा, ये बात मेरे पास है। ठीक है? ओके?
सर दो दफा करना है Ali question ask question
ये कितने? चलो ठीक है बस ये इनके बच्चे ग्रुप ए के 15 और बन रहे हैं और ग्रुप बी के 16। ग्रुप बी जो है वो जीत गया। Okay students, look at me. You are working in two groups now again. Okay, this is group A and this is group B. The same group. I will write something on the board. I will write some word on the board. Can you please clean the board? Okay. And you will give the gestures. You will give the action. Okay. For example, if I write sleeping, then you will do like that. Okay. And you will say, for example, sleeping is a verb. Sleeping is a
verb
ठीक है ये आप लोगों ने बच्चे क्या देने हैं जेस्चर्स देने क्या देने हैं एक्शन देना है ठीक है और आप लोगों ने कहना है कि वर्ब है या फिर नाउन है ओके आर यू रेडी
Yes,
sir. The first word is writing.
writing is
Writing is very good. The second word is eating.
eating
Eating is a Eating is a very good. The third word is drinking. Drinking is a Drinking is a very good. The next word is sleeping.
sleeping is
Sleeping is a okay. And the next one is pen.
Pen is a noun.
The next one is book.
book is a
Book is a
noun.
Book is a okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Clap it.